Hello there, my dear friends. I am Nikos from Wealthy Forever, and today we find ourselves on the 28th day of this incredible journey, tracking my investment capital with TEELX. As you might well remember from our last update in the previous video, I successfully made a withdrawal. I took out my entire initial capital to secure my position, and since that specific day and onwards, we have been moving forward with pure profit. Ever since that moment, I have been playing purely with the winnings I earned, meaning I am no longer using my own capital. Following the release of my recent withdrawal video, there was a noticeable surge in interest, resulting in several new signups and 5 dedicated individuals joining my team. Now, you might be wondering what it actually means when I say 5 people joined my team. Essentially, it signifies that these individuals are now working alongside me, following the same strategy, and contributing to a growing network where we all benefit from the collective success and shared insights of the group. Starting from today and every single day from now on, I am going to have 4 specific signals. Each of these signals is valued at exactly 1%, which effectively means I will be earning a total of 4% every single day, 7 days a week, so I can consistently earn more. And because I have finally reached my very first major goal of having 5 dedicated people in my team, I have officially become a VIP1 member. As a result of this achievement, I also received a generous $200 bonus. This means that, moving forward, and if you currently have a total of anywhere between 5 and 25 active members in your team, you are currently at the VIP1 level. To successfully advance your status to the level of VIP2, you will need to have a minimum of 26 and up to 99 distinct individuals in your team. As we can clearly see right now, it is finally time to carefully execute the necessary signal for the group. So I will go ahead and do the signal now, and then we will continue with the rest. Then we are going to click right here on the button that says Confirm to proceed. From here, we need to scroll all the way up to the top of the page and click on the specific green letters that say Confirm Copy Trade. Once we do that, the system clearly tells us exactly how much it is going to bet for us automatically. We click Confirm one more time. And honestly, that is all there is to it. I only had to perform 3 simple clicks to get everything set up and running. We really don't want to be constantly switching back and forth between several different applications, like going over to Telegram and manually retrieving the trading signals from that specific platform. Here, just as we are sitting and talking, when the exact time comes, the interface automatically opens up and provides a clear notification instructing us to make the trade, telling us to take your trade right now. I was just saying that when the people in my team grow and eventually reach a total of 26 active members in the group. Once you reach the level of 99, then someone moves to the VIP2 tier and gets another $300 as a special bonus reward. Furthermore, on the 10th, the 20th, and the 30th days of each and every month, they will also receive a specific percentage of their entire team's total turnover, which typically falls within the range of, that is exactly 1.5%. Now, coming up on the 20th of this month, which is in just 2 days, I will finally see how this translates for the very first time. I haven't actually received it before now, but I really want us to take a close look at this here. So today, on the 18th of November, 1 person signed up and I got 40. Because this person signed up, I became VIP1 and it gave me $200. After a little while, a few hours later, 3 hours from what I can see, I had 25 people in the team. A 26th person joined the team, and the system automatically upgraded me to VIP2 and gave me another $300. Then I started doing the signals, the first, the second, the third, and now the fourth. So today, let's see. So far today, my balance is at 1,192, which means that up to now today I have earned 35.06. Plus about 12 that I will earn from this signal. 35 plus 10, 45. At $47. At $47. plus about 12 more that I'll get because it's the bonus from the new person who joined today. $47, $49, $60 roughly in a single day. Now, if we take a moment to add the 200 and the 300 together as well, we actually reach a total of 560 in just a single day. Simply because I took the time to share this truly amazing company with 5 different people. And yet, someone might still say to me, yeah, Nikos, it sounds like an amazing company and you certainly got your money. But how long will it realistically keep paying out like this? Well, my friends, this strategy works for as long as it actually pays out. We have certainly talked about this here before. Any online investment program is inherently a high-risk venture. I personally took my own risk, and it fortunately paid off well. Someone else out there hasn't taken their risk yet and simply doesn't know if it will pay off for them or not. In a future video that I will make very soon, I will explain more. This is a detailed simulation of exactly how much a specific investment amount can grow in just 1 month with a 4% return, which is something you can also easily do yourselves. I have previously shown you where the website thecalculatorsite.com is located. So you can go there and enter the 4% rate, the specific starting amount you want to test, or even select a 100% reinvestment strategy every single day. By doing this, you can accurately calculate the specific final amounts you are looking for based on the initial amount you choose to start with. This is a place where you have the opportunity to invest an amount starting from $500 and up. Let me clarify once again, regardless of how many times I might seem to repeat myself here, that I am not a professional investment advisor, nor am I a certified financial consultant. I am merely here documenting and sharing the details of my own personal journey. You are witnessing every step of this process. And I truly don't know if you are feeling as happy as I am right now, or perhaps quite the opposite. Anyway, this video, much like all my other videos, is not intended to be investment advice or any form of financial guidance. It is simply a record of events so we can see exactly what is happening out there. And if someone wants to take on the full responsibility of their own risk and get involved, whatever they achieve is entirely up to them. So that is it for today, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. It would be good if you could join me again next time. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel right now so you can receive all the new videos whenever I make them, and stay fully informed about how well, or perhaps not so well, this exciting journey called TEELX will go in the future. So, I want to wish all the best and very good profits to everyone in whatever specific business opportunity you choose to pursue. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Until we meet again in the next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.